You're picking the wrong AI niche and you're ruining your chances of making it on YouTube. And I'll say it straight, those AI videos you're making with ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Railway aren't gonna get views. Sure, those videos are cool, but they won't get you anywhere without the right strategy. I've seen so many YouTube videos showing how to make fully AI generated videos, but honestly, they're missing the mark. If you're making videos just to say they're all made with AI, but aren't seeing views, you're wasting time. You're probably left wondering, why aren't these videos working? That's why in this video, I'll show you the 5 best AI YouTube niches that can succeed with the right strategy. Plus, stick around until the end for a ChatGPT prompt that made a lot of my videos go viral. But before we get into the 5 best AI YouTube niches, there's a surprising reason why relying solely on AI might actually hurt your channel in the long run. Let me explain why a balanced approach is the key to success. There's no rule saying your entire video has to be made with AI. In fact, I found that my videos perform best when I mix AI tools with human input. If fully AI generated videos aren't performing well, it could be because you still need a human touch, like a scriptwriter to add personality, or a video editor to improve workflow or match better visuals, or realistic thumbnails to catch viewers' attention. Finding the right balance between AI and human input can really help boost your video success. So instead of going 100% AI, try adding those human elements to make your video succeed. Now that you know the limitations of using only AI, let's dive into the top 5 AI YouTube niches that you could start today. The first niche we're exploring is upcoming topics. This covers everything from anticipated movies and TV shows to upcoming car models and futuristic megastructures. The reason this niche performs so well is simple. People are always looking ahead, curious about what's next. When something is upcoming, it stirs excitement, anticipation, and sometimes even mystery. This curiosity-driven demand is powerful and makes viewers eager for any new details or sneak peeks, giving these videos a high chance of going viral, and that is the strategy here, which is to get your videos to go viral. The key here is to focus on factual content. When people watch videos about upcoming trends, they're looking for straightforward information rather than opinion or speculation. By covering everything we know so far about the next big Marvel movie, for example, you're meeting a strong demand. For this type of content, think of yourself as a reliable news source. For the production process here, here's what I recommend. For script writing, use AI tools like ChatGPT to pull together factual information. These videos thrive on details, release dates, cast lists, sneak peeks, and official announcements. Since this information is readily available online, AI can handle it well. You'll want a script that's tight, concise, and engaging. For voiceover, AI voiceovers work here, but consider a friendly, informative tone to keep viewers engaged without sounding robotic, and 11 Labs can be tailored for this tone. For video editing, human video editing is still essential for this niche. A skilled editor can weave in teaser trailers, promotional images, and quick cuts to keep viewers' attention. AI lacks the ability to select perfect visuals, so a human touch is key here. For thumbnails, they need to convey the excitement of what's coming. Use bold colors and make the design pop, and human-created thumbnails work best because they can include realistic images and emphasize the element of newness that viewers want. Our second niche is celebrity news. People have an endless appetite for celebrity gossip and news. When a celebrity does something big, people want the latest updates immediately, making this a high traffic niche. But there's a twist. Celebrity news is often covered by many sources, so you need to add a unique spin or fast updates to make your video stand out. For my celebrity news channels, I tend to add a unique spin to the titles and thumbnails. The strategy here is to also get your videos to go viral through speed and consistency. People flock to YouTube for real-time updates, so getting content out quickly is essential. Your audience isn't looking for a deep analysis, they just want the what, when, and how of the latest celebrity story. For the production process, here's what I recommend. For script writing, use ChatGPT to generate quick factual summaries. Think of this as headline news, short, punchy, and to the point. An AI can pull existing information efficiently so that you can publish fast. For voiceover, a lively, high-energy voiceover works best here. 11 Labs can mimic a human-like enthusiasm here that keeps the tone engaging and matches the fast-paced world of a celebrity news. For video editing, you still need a human editor. Use visuals that keep up with the story, like social media posts, paparazzi shots, or short clips. AI editors aren't yet adept to adding the buzz factor that human editors can through this niche. And for thumbnails, Human design thumbnails that highlight the celebrity's face are essential. People click on these videos for familiar faces, so showing the celebrity in an eye-catching design will attract more viewers. Now the third niche is travel videos. Travel content appeals to people who want to plan trips, daydream about future adventures, or simply enjoy virtual escapes. This niche is great for long-term channel growth because viewers constantly search for travel tips and recommendations. Plus, there's a lot of flexibility in the type of travel content you create, from top destinations to hidden gems. The play here is to focus on search-based content, which can drive consistent, sustainable traffic. People searching best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun or top places to visit in Norway are looking for valuable, fact-based content. You can use a tool like vidIQ to conduct keyword research, and if you haven't signed up for vidIQ just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get 30% off your first 3 months. For content ideas, do your own research and let ChatGPT generate ideas. Verify these ideas to ensure accuracy, adding an extra level of value for viewers. For script writing, AI-generated scripts work well together since they pull information that's already available online. For voiceover, a common inviting tone in the voiceover works best, and again, 11 Labs is your tool here. For video editing, AI video editors like InVideo or Pictory are great here because travel videos can heavily rely on stock footage. AI can piece together scenic visuals for topics like best beaches in Thailand without the need for custom or copyrighted footage. For thumbnails, AI-generated thumbnails can work well since these are real locations. However, consider using a mix of both striking landscapes and clear text for maximum appeal. Honestly, either AI or human-generated thumbnails can work in this niche. And just as a bonus tip, travel videos pair really well with affiliate marketing. Programs that practically accept anyone include Expedia and Viator, so adding links to hotel tours or flight deals can turn viewers into customers and add an extra income stream even before your channel gets monetized. Now the fourth niche is something I like to call low-level info topics, which include examples like 5 ways to improve your internet speed or 5 tips for selling your stuff faster. These topics target practical, search-based content that people often look up to solve a problem. And the best part, they're easy to create and attract a steady stream of views from people who need straightforward answers. Adding a human spokesperson here can build credibility and help engage viewers. Having someone explain the tips in a friendly, relatable way increases viewer trust, especially if you're promoting affiliate products. For the production here, here's what I recommend. For affiliate offers, find a relevant product to recommend within the video. An affiliate link can add an extra revenue potential. For script writing, use AI to create easy-to-follow scripts with practical advice. Keep them concise and direct. For voiceover, hire a spokesperson for about $15 per script to present this information. This small investment can increase viewer engagement, trust, and help with affiliate conversions. For video editing, a human editor can ensure visuals align with the spoken tips, enhancing clarity and professionalism. For thumbnails, human-created thumbnails with clear, appealing designs work best to draw in viewers searching for help. Now the final niche is storytelling, which has become incredibly popular for AI-generated videos. You can easily create story-based content with AI, but here's the catch that not a lot of people are talking about. Packaging is everything. The way you present your stories through thumbnails, titles, and visual elements determines your success, and this is something that I've seen a lot of channels fail to mention. When I ran my story channel 3 years ago before I sold it for 5 figures, I focused heavily on titles and thumbnails. This packaging made my videos stand out and go viral. It's not enough to just tell a story, you need to create curiosity from the very first glance. Here are examples of my most viral story videos. For the production, here's what I recommend. For script writing, use AI to generate stories, whether they're fictional or based on real events. AI can quickly build captivating plots. For voiceover, 11 Labs can handle narration, giving your stories the right tone and emotion. For video editing, use AI tools that combine stock visuals that match the narrative. For packaging, this is where you want to invest human-designed titles and thumbnails. This is what draws viewers in and creates that must-watch feeling. Good packaging transforms a simple story into a video that people can't resist clicking. You've heard about the best AI YouTube niches, but here's the game-changing secret. A specific ChatGPT prompt that takes your scripts from average to extraordinary. For all 5 of the niches that I mentioned earlier, AI script writing can be used for all of them, whether you're scripting a travel video or scripting a story or writing about the latest Marvel movie. You see, after you finish writing your script using ChatGPT or Claude, use this as your next prompt. I appreciate this, but it feels like a basic response. Could you give me something more engaging and higher level? Something that will really truly impress me. This is usually the last prompt I send before I copy and paste my scripts and send it over to voiceover production. Try this prompt out for yourself and let me know your results down below in the comments. So now you've discovered the best AI YouTube channel niche ideas and a really good script writing prompt, but there's something that I haven't shared with you just yet. Choosing the right niche is just a start. You really need to succeed to create top-notch video content. That's where the right AI video editing software comes in, and this is a tool that I supply to all my video editors on my team. Click on this video next to see how I found the best AI video editing software for beginners and how it can take your content to the next level. I'll see you there.